Hi, today I'll be talking to you about why fast food is a cause of obesity. Fast food, we can see it everywhere. It's almost on every corner. We all eat it sometimes, but do we know what it can lead to if we eat it all the time? A lot of people resort to eating fast food because it's easily convenient, it tastes good, and it's cheap. We choose these foods as an easy alternative, but what we are consuming is poor quality food that can lead to big health problems if we continue eating it. With the fast food industry constantly expanding and promoting to consumers, it's making people gain weight, but it's also causing obesity. There is a serious problem amongst many around the world and continues to be. Every day, nearly one-third of US children aged 4 to 19 eat fast food, which likely packs on 6 extra pounds per child per year and increases the risk of obesity. A study of 6,212 youngsters found. This is just children we're talking about. We're not counting the numbers for adults. Documentaries such as Super Size Me and Fast Food Nation, as well as reports in the popular press, have frequently suggested that the fast food is at least partly to blame for the U.S. rising obesity rates. Although there are many factors that can lead to obesity, fast food plays a significant role. Besides the constant marketing of food to consumers, they're contributing to obesity by selling unhealthy foods at affordable prices and making it taste good so people keep coming back. Some would agree that fast food is not to blame, but instead to blame us by the poor choices that we make. I will be sharing with you why the fast food industry is to blame. The success of fast food chains has come from their marketing strategies and selling points. With posted billboards, advertisements, and streaming commercials, that plays a big role in convincing people. They even come up with new products to promote. These chains are smart on how they market, they know what to say, and draw attention. The target audience is everyone of all ages, children, adults, you name it. One reason why fast food chains advertise the way they do is to increase their target market. They do this by using social media platforms, creating commercials that will reach a global audience. This makes them become popular and they're able to expand more. In 2016, the fast food industry spent almost $14 billion on overall advertising to Americans. In result, these ads push the food and contribute to obesity. Another goal for fast food is to market and increase sales. These fast food chains invest money to make more money. According to a statistic, the fast food revenue in the US makes almost $110 billion annually. This proves that these chains are only benefiting themselves and have no concern what they're contributing to. They're contributing to one of our nation's biggest health problems. Limiting food marketing is an important strategy against stopping obesity and helping to promote unhealthy food advertising. The fast food industry does a good job by selling food items at a cheap price and making it easily convenient. This is how they get people in the door to make their money. It costs the industry hardly anything to make these cheap foods and can still sell it at an affordable price. You can order dollar hamburgers, sodas, and fries and upgrade it for just a few more cents. In result, people are drawn to food being so cheap and they buy more of it. Meal choices are inexpensive, which typically costs around $6 or less for a meal, and combining signature items, including like sides and a drink. You might have noticed that a healthy food option, such as a salad, is going to cost you more than a burger and fries. These chains know that healthier options cost more, and by marketing their prices right, people will choose them instead. And of course, they'll choose unhealthy food. Most Americans nowadays are always on the go because they don't have time in their daily lives to prepare their own meals. So going through a drive-thru is a go-to option, which actually drives families to drive through simple truths. First, it's easily convenient. Fast food accommodates odd shifts, busy working moms, and children who are on the run. And after years of calculated expansion, the restaurants are everywhere. They're in office buildings, department stores, rest stops, schools, Walmarts, airports, even hospitals. And the way the fast food chains have on us is that they have an advantage, which means people will never stop buying. In the end, the industry is only benefiting themselves. As we know, fast food has a reputation for unhealthy food. The industry knows that in order to be successful, they must make things taste great. By making tasty food, they know people will get addicted and come back for more. It's true, people love the taste. So why does the fast food industry taste so great? Here's an example. Chicken nuggets contain a substance called yeast extract. According to the FDA, it's an ingredient that contains the natural occurring version of MSG. And then that ingredient enhances the taste of food, keeping you going back again and again and making you want more. They are to blame for adding unnecessary ingredients to get us addicted. Also, they know how humans think. Our bodies and brains like things that taste good. We as humans sometimes resort to eating these foods because we're stressed, emotional, etc. We all agree that when we eat lots of fat or sugar or salt, we tend to adapt to these tastes and feel satisfied, and then we want more. This is why things taste so good. They know it's bad for us, but they don't care. Fast food is always going to exist and is always going to be easily available to us. I stated how cheap they sell food, how they market products to convince us, and why they make food taste good. But who is really to blame? Some people might argue that we're to blame, but I believe fast food is to blame. I think we can all put a stop to the fast food industry for getting bigger than they already are and help stopping them from contributing to the cause of obesity. We can do this by not giving them our time and money, by cutting down how much we spend. Their sales will go down and it will hurt them in the long run. They get popular because of their constant advertising. If we fall for their ads, then they might stop advertising as much as they do right now. Lastly, we must be strong and stop eating their foods just because they taste good. If they see that their products aren't selling and they're losing customers, they will stop the selling. This will help stores the stop of obesity. The popularity of fast food is due to it being easily convenient, cheap, and overly marketed, and it tastes good. There are serious consequences to come if fast food stays popular and takes over. They have already contributed to the problem of obesity and continue, and the numbers will go up. The foods that they sell are making people gain weight and are simply unhealthy. Fast food dominates our nation, allowing us to think that if we're actually eating unhealthy food, that's okay to eat such unhealthy food. If we truly care for our overall health, we need to stop eating this. If we are concerned about what will happen as time goes by, we need to stop helping the food industry succeed. Thank you.